What if I told you that you could hit an AI home run in your business today without ever stepping up to the plate? In this video, I'll reveal the easiest way to knock it out of the park with generative AI, transforming your customer support and boosting your bottom line. Stick around to discover the secret that smart companies are using to score big against their competitors. Welcome to AI Capitalist, where we step up to the plate and coach business leaders with knock it out of the park AI-driven strategies. Right now, I'm a small channel building my team, so I'm glad you joined me early to be a part of something that's going to be a winner. So let's say your boss or board wants to see something new and shiny in the AI sphere right now. Managers know that there are huge potential gains to be made in efficiency and customer satisfaction if they implement AI into their processes, and they want to start seeing more return on investment ASAP. But these complex products can take forever to develop. The typical workflow for adopting an AI project is step one, building a team that can develop natural language processing and large language models. Step two is you get them acquainted with your process and corporate culture. Step three is you integrate their algorithms. Step four, finally, is the actual field testing and troubleshooting before it's ready to go public. This process can take months or even years. Meanwhile, management wants something now that they can demonstrate and start using. You need a quick win that you can deploy right now while you're working on the larger projects in the background. The one area where you have the lowest hanging fruit is in your help desk. Just think about it. Help desks can be a real curveball for most companies because 90% of customer pain points can typically be answered by content that has already been generated and is available on the knowledge base, website forums, or other knowledge sources like Slack. But the customers aren't trained on your particular website or interface, and they have a very hard time getting to the information. So it's like having a star pitcher on your team, but keeping him benched. 9 times out of 10, when a customer service ticket is opened, your employees answering the ticket are just citing materials from your own website or a troubleshooting document. They're just cutting and pasting in responses or doing a quick find and replace to customize the content for the user. Meanwhile, it's a pain for the customers to have to plow through your website to find the exact information they're looking for. So even if you have an amazing user interface with a state-of-the-art search function, in their frenzied state of mind trying to solve an immediate problems, they're going to miss it. Nobody wants to wander around a labyrinth when they can just get an answer from ChatGPT. The best strategy is to find a no-code solution that lets you build your chatbot without needing any IT muscle. Now, before I go on, I've been warning about the risks of setting up one of the customized chatbots OpenAI is offering. I've made several episodes about these risks that you can find on my channel. But let's assume that you can mitigate those risks. So you aren't using proprietary or internal company documents, only material that is available to the public from your website. Should you decide to go ahead with the project, you can build it with zero tech know-how. It's all web-based drag and drop. And you know what's really great about it? The information that your customer needs is already indexed on your public-facing website, which means that you can just upload the information into the chatbot, which can just scan through all the information that's already there and automatically incorporate any updates as they happen. This is the advantage of large language models and AIs. They really work well with structured data. I'm expecting that OpenAI's future upgrades are going to allow your chatbot to automatically monitor and update with new customer-facing content from your website as you post it. But regardless, for where we are right now, once you've uploaded your data with the push of a button, you can deploy the chatbot to your existing live chat or other interfaces. You can have the whole thing up and running in less than an hour. For that very first deployment, you're not going to start deploying directly to customers. Get your employees using the chatbot themselves, especially the customer support staff. Get everyone acquainted with it and using it in their own world. And then once you have some internal champions driving the adoptions, then you can start rolling it out to face your customers. Hopefully by that time, OpenAI and the other chatbot developers and platforms will have dealt with some of the problems I mentioned in my previous episode about security, etc. Once your customers start interacting with the chatbot, you're going to be awash in data that you can now use to drive your business forward. The chat logs are a goldmine that you can sift through to figure out exactly what your customers' main pain points are. You can learn what content you're missing and that you need to add to your website. Figure out exactly how your customers actually talk about issues that they're facing so that you can tailor your marketing to resonate with them in their own language. The chatbot is judgment-free. It's not threatening or creepy. So customers are going to say things to the chatbot that they would never say to a human representative. This is the kind of data that provides you with value. And if you feel that you're getting value from this episode of AI Capitalist, I would urge you to hit the like button. Hitting like shows your appreciation for the hard work that I do to bring you profit-generating content, and it helps to spread this content to others. I thank you genuinely for your support. It's you who makes this channel grow. The best part is that the chatbot that we're talking about is just going to use publicly facing information anyway. So you, your boss, your security officer, and most importantly, your customers don't have to worry about sensitive data being leaked. Everybody wins. You get the lower ticket volume and more targeted marketing. Your boss gets quick turnaround and return on the investment, and your customers get fast resolution without frustration. While other companies are off chasing the next big thing, you can get an easy win today. So stop watching the videos and get to it.